A flooring new opportunity is coming to Great Falls soon that might just be a good fit for you if you're looking for a new career in the trades.
The industry has been struggling for years with finding qualified installers.
One of the missions of Great Falls College is to help with workforce development and meeting industry needs. We have found that our most successful programs are industry-driven.
The trade in general is highly rewarding. It's not the same thing every day. You could be doing tile one day and doing hardwood the next day. The students that we're looking for are people that are in the trades already and thinking that this might be for them. There's some advantages to being an installer. You're your own boss, you make your own hours, and you know the amount of training involved in this is a 10-week course.
Trained by a tenured installer, this 10-week course covers carpet, vinyl, hardwood, tile, and culminates in a week of testing.
It'll cover all types of flooring. So if you knew somebody, your uncle, your grandpa that was a tile guy, this is a great thing to get involved with because you'll come out as a more qualified helper.
The program can even be tuition-free with a scholarship.
The cool thing with this program is that anybody that applies through the college is then eligible to apply for a scholarship. And those that are accepted through the scholarship get full tuition waived because the foundation is paying for it.
For more info to see if this might be a good future career for yourself, go to our website. In Great Falls, I'm James Rowland, MTN News.